Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So hey, in today's video, I'm going to share with you why I make all of my purchases with my credit card. So before we go ahead and jump into this video, if you could do me a huge favor, find that thumbs up button on this video, give that thumbs up button a quick tap for me, and then also smash that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as well. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this video. All right, you guys, so why would I make all of my purchase with credit cards? Well, because as you can see right here, I got quite a few credit cards, right? So I got quite a few. And the reason why I make all of my purchases with my credit cards is because when I go ahead and say, for example, make a purchase with my debit card, right? I mean, if I go to the store, let's say I do something like whatever, go buy gas. So I pull up at the gas station, whip out my debit card, boom, insert it, pump my gas, cool. Everything went good. I got my gas, paid for it, but I didn't get anything out of that. Like, you know, there was no other benefit, no type of financial gain other than the simple fact that, like, you know, I paid for my gas and I got my gas in return. And I mean, I get that, like, you know, that's just like a smooth, basic, you know, common business, like, you know, transaction. But I want a little bit more than that, you know. If there's a way where you could still go ahead and purchase that same, you know, you could do that same financial transaction, you could still pull up to that pump, still buy that gas, or still go into that store and make that purchase that you're gonna already purchase anyways, because you're already gonna buy that thing, that if you could do that in such a way and still get a type of, you know, return on that, you know, some extra little bonus, well then why would you not wanna do that? And if you guys are excited to find out exactly a really good way on how you could go about doing that, then be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out my channel. And if you didn't do it earlier, now's a great time to go ahead and smash that like button. And anyways, getting back to the video. So pretty much a really great way to capitalize on, you know, that transaction that you're already going to go ahead and make is by utilizing the credit card. Because now, yes, some little side note that I might, you know, I feel like it's necessary that I mention in this video is that this strategy will not be for everybody. Because if you're a person who, you know, really struggles with managing your money, well then this might not be for you. Because the last thing I want you guys to do is go out there, start charging, you know, things on your credit card that you simply can't afford, and then you can't pay that credit card off. And now, you know, you basically find yourself in credit card debt, and that is not the purpose of this video. I'm trying to show you how you can make money with your credit cards and how you can benefit financially, not cost you any more money than you're already gonna spend. Because if you do this right, you're gonna only spend the money that you're already spending. You're not gonna spend a dollar or a cent or a penny more than you already are. On the contrary, if you do this, what I'm explaining in this video, you're gonna make money with every single purchase that you make with your credit card, and every single month you're going to get money. So how do you go about doing this? We're going to cover that right now. All right, so let me share with you guys how you could start making money with every single purchase that you make using your credit card instead of making these purchases using your debit card. Because if you make your purchases with your debit card, you're just gonna swipe your card, pay for that transaction, and that's it. That's where it ends. You get nothing else. But that's not what this video is about. And I'm gonna show you how if you do what I'm saying and you make all of your purchases with your credit card, you're gonna basically get some type of financial return back. You know, however much that might be can vary depending on the credit card that you use, but nevertheless, you're going to be getting some type of financial reward coming back to you, and that's what we want. That's what this video is about, helping you make money by going out there and already making the purchases that you're already going to make. So you're not spending any extra money, but you're going to actually make some money just for going out there and doing the shopping that you're already going to do. So how do we go about doing this? So first off, I'll go ahead and tell you exactly, you know, how I do it. So I mean, I got a bunch of different credit cards, right? But I particularly use one, and the one that I use the most often is my Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. So why do I use this Bank of America Cashback Rewards credit card so often? Well, the reason why I use it is because basically Bank of America gives you the option where you could pick one category where you want to earn 3% cash back, and then you have another category where you'll say earn 2% cash back, and then you get a third category where you're going to earn just a flat 1% on all those other categories. So for example, I select the category of dining. So whenever I go out, or if I order food or any type of like food purchases, it's basically automatically going to fall under the dining. besides being grocery stores. Grocery stores is something completely different. But basically, if I go out to eat or order food online or something like that, that's going to be the dining. So I'm automatically going to earn 3% back on dining. Now, I'm also going to earn, so that's my 3% category. So if I go out and have like a dinner with my family and I pay for that dinner with my Bank of America cashback rewards credit card, I'm automatically going to earn 3% back, you know, on the price of that meal. So whatever that meal is, pay for that with my Bank of America rewards credit card, automatically earn 3%, you know, back off the value of whatever that dinner was. Then say, for example, all right, the other feature I have is I'm going to earn 2% cash back on things like grocery stores, club stores, you know, Costco, Sam's Club, those type of stores. So if I go grocery shopping at any of those places, and I do, we don't go to Costco, we go to Sam's Club. It just happens to be where we decided to go to. So whenever I go ahead and do some shopping in there, boom, make the purchase using my Bank of America cash rewards credit card, boom, I automatically earn 2% cash back at that store. So even when I'm there spending money, I'm actually making money. Because if I was to say do that same purchase and buy those same groceries with a debit card, I'm leaving out of there, just paid for my groceries and didn't earn anything back. So, I mean, again, you might as well go ahead and, you know, earn a little bit of money. And I'm not saying, you know, doing the strategy is going to make you rich, but you might as well go ahead and get some type of money back and get some return, whether it's 2%, 1%, or 3%, or you could just pay with your debit card and you would get zero. So I don't think you want to be that guy who's just, all right, I got nothing, when instead you could have got 2, 3, or 1%, depending on the category that you're spending in. So, and then that last category, the 1%, is basically going to be any of your other purchases that you make on that Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. You're going to earn 1% on just all your other purchases. So any purchase that I make that's outside of that, you know, my dining or the club stores, pretty much all of those other transactions, you know, shopping at retail stores, shopping, you know, wherever, little boutiques and things like that, or maybe just shopping online like Amazon or something like that, all of those things, I'm automatically going to earn 1% cash back regardless, you know? So this is why I go ahead and choose to make all of my purchases, you know, at least all of the ones that I can. I mean, I can't pay things like my mortgage with my credit card because they just don't accept payments like that. But if I could, I would. But every type of payment, you know, or every type of financial transaction that I can pay with my credit card, I go ahead and make that payment, you know, I process that transaction with my credit card. And then this is the part that I got to stress to you guys, is that you got to make sure that you pay off that balance of that credit card completely in full every single month before that statement closes out, because the whole point here is to make money. You don't want to pay any interest whatsoever. And I'm not trying to say that you guys need to use, you know, the Bank of America cashback rewards credit card. You can use whatever rewards credit card that you have, but this won't work and you won't benefit you very much if you go and try to implement this strategy with, you know, a credit card that just basically doesn't give you any rewards. So if you just go get some very average, you know, credit card that has no rewards, it's just a credit card, and it's just a, you know, that's all it is. It just is just a credit card. It's not a debit card, it's a credit card. But if you try this strategy, you're going to get zero return. So you might as well just pretty much use your debit card if that's going to be the case. So you got to go ahead, you know, if you want the Bank of America cashback rewards credit card, I'll put the link down in the description box. This video is not, you know, sponsored by Bank of America. I'm not trying to promote their card or anything like that. I'm just telling you, this is the card that I use. It works really well for me. I'll put the link down in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for that credit card, but it works really well. And this is a really good strategy to, you know, get some money back, you know, basically get a return on the money that you're already going out there and spending. Because if I'm going to go out there and spend my money and you're telling me, hey, I have the option and the ability to get a return on that money, to get some of my money back, basically, regardless of whether it's 3%, 2%, or 1%, I'll take that. I don't know about you guys, but hey, I'd rather get some of my money back instead of none of my money back, especially if I'm already going to spend that money regardless. So that's why I make all of my purchases with my credit cards. So I'd rather get something back than nothing back. And if you guys would rather get something back than nothing back, be sure to let me know by commenting down in the comment section below. Let me know what's, you know, What's your favorite cashback rewards credit card that is out there? Let me know if you use this strategy. Just drop me some comments down in the comment section. Be sure to hit the like button on this video, and if you're not already subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. I post videos every single Monday at 3 p.m. West Coast time. You guys have a blessed day. I'll catch you guys in the next video.